ladies and gentlemen, the moment which you've been waiting for. Since back in, we've actually done the smoke alarm test video. So, this is it. I'm sorry to say this. It is the final. The smoke alarm test video is actually final. So, it's actually still Christmas out here. The lights is actually still going. Well, I actually turn it off because it's actually daytime. It's not dark yet. So, once again, I'm System Sensor 250. Welcome back to another brand new video. So, guys, we're actually in the final test of the smoke alarm test video. So, that is the smoke alarm test number 30. Again, smoke alarm test number 30. The final test. So, this is going to be the final test for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Before we guys get started, make sure you guys don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Just chat me in the comments or chat me on Discord, AskWhat2, aka my Discord server. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get started. The final test, smoke alarm test. Many of these days, what could the Buck the Beaver have been? Oh. I did not even recognize it. The Buck the Beaver has my smoke alarm test. Won't ya? Yeah. So we have is the First Alert CO400 carbon monoxide alarm. I actually go by smoke alarm because it's very simple to test with the smoke alarm with Buck. So, yep. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get started. The smoke alarm. So here we go. The final test. Oh, I bet it's going to be loud and clear. Let's do another one here. Go here. Loud and clear. Let's do one more in the closet. Pretty simple test. Focus. There we go. Did a pretty good job. It's starting to focus a little. What do you say yourself, Buck? Nothing really. So, anyways, guys, that's the final. So let's go ahead and wrap. So, guys, that's gonna be the final test of the smoke alarm test video. I'm not gonna do more testing. So, not this smoke alarm. So stick around for the fire alarm, which is the system test. So stay tuned for that. So I don't have the fire alarm system yet, but soon enough I might get it. So let's go ahead and wrap. I hope everybody did guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Before we guys end, make sure you guys don't forget to smash the subscribe, like, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Just chat me in the comments or chat me on Discord, AskWhat2, aka my Discord server. Make sure you guys don't forget to just check out my latest video through my homepage, AskWhat2. Make sure you guys, one new to YouTube channel I actually recommended. So make sure you guys don't forget to check out my second, third, fourth, and fifth YouTube channel. Smash the subscribe on those channels and I'll be super appreciated. So anyways, guys, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.